set now, ready to race. Race number 4 racing. Just started. We have Saba. Break quickly at the start. Moving up on the outside. Whispering Angel. Newsmaker in the middle. Next on that is Forgive Me. Then followed by Decent Proposal. Diegito comes next. Shade of the Wind. While Betty Bot is the early trailer and going along for the first turn with Whispering Angel, barreling anyhow. Newsmaker is right behind in second. Saba comes next. Diegito, Forgive Me, then followed by Decent Proposal, Shade of the Wind, while Betty Bot is still racing in 8.5 mile distance. They traveled with Whispering Angel by about 3 lengths, and in second comes Newsmaker. Diegito comes next. Forgive Me, Saba, then followed by Decent Proposal, Shade of the Wind, while Betty Bot is still racing in behind the scene. And a reporter, the lead now belongs to Newsmaker by a length and a half. Whispering Angel in second. Moving upon the outside now is Diegito. Forgive Me comes next, then followed by Decent Proposal, Saba, Shade of the Wind, while Betty Bot is still running at the tail of the last. They swing for home. Newsmaker this time by about 4 lengths. Diegito now in second with about 100 meters of the race. We have Newsmaker followed by Diegito, and finally it's Newsmaker, Diegito, Decent Proposal, Forgive Me, then comes Whispering.